morning.
Yeah. Good morning. Am I audible and visible?
Yeah, you are audible and visible too.
Okay, perfect. Good morning. How are you?
Yes, I'm doing great. Thank you. What about you, ma'am?
I'm also doing good. Thank you so much for asking. So, how is everything going for you?
Yeah, everything is going good, and I'm enjoying
Mm-hmm.
to take sessions with English Yari tutors nowadays. Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
What are you enjoying about these sessions?
Yes. Because every day I learn something new, some new vocab. Sometimes
Ah.
I get to know where I do mistakes. So I
Mm-hmm.
just want to improve the on these areas.
Right. That's
Yeah.
wonderful to know. Thank you so much for telling me. Firstly, one thing is when you say I am enjoying, then you don't say I am enjoying take. I am enjoying taking these sessions.
Okay.
Okay. I'm enjoying taking. Okay, great. So what did you do before coming to today's class?
Uh, will you please repeat your question again? I am not able to hear you.
Okay, can you hear me now? Is this fine?
Yeah,
This
it's
volume?
clear now. Yeah.
Yeah. I was just asking, what did you do before coming to the session today?
Before coming to this session, I attended one more session
Mm-hmm.
with
Okay.
my co-learner only. One person made me, so I
Mm-hmm.
connected with that person.
Oh, okay. So for your YouTube channel, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And how did that conversation go? What did you talk about?
Uh, Actually, that person want to learn something from me, like
Mm-hmm.
how to get fluency, how to be more confident at the time of speaking.
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's great. That person wants, okay, or wanted, not want. That
want,
person wants, because
want.
person is singular, right? So the verb
Yes.
will become plural. Okay, all right. So now tell me, you take classes both ways, sometimes, with your fellow learners, sometimes with your teachers. So, what are the differences between these classes or these sessions for you?
The one major difference that I found is that when I take classes through English Yari and their tutors, so immediately I get feedback.
Getting stuck. Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm
Yeah.
able to
Okay,
hear
okay.
you.
You are back. Yes, you
It's
can.
okay.
Yes, you can.
Yes. So I immediately get feedback. But when I speak to my co-learners, so there is no one to correct me. So that is one major difference.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. I understand completely. And what are the advantages of speaking with your co-learners according to you?
Mm. Advantages are as we both are co-learners, so
Mm-hmm.
we without any hesitation, without any fear, we can express ourselves, or I can express ourselves
Ah,
in a good way.
right.
I have
That's
no
the way.
hesitation at the time of speaking. Yeah.
Mhm. Okay, that's great. Okay, so tell me something that you said that, not tell me, I'm going to tell you. You said, I don't feel some hesitation themselves. So if it's I, then it should be myself, not
Yeah.
themselves. Okay, all
Yeah.
right. Did you understand? Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. All right. Okay, so today we have a very interesting topic. Do you know what it is?
Actually, the topic name is different, but
Yeah.
inside there is a different topic.
Okay. So, yes, we are going to go with the actual topic that has been given. So, the actual topic is about guests and them being
Yeah.
gods, right? So, we're going
Yeah.
to just discuss some things based on your experiences with guests. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Before that, obviously, we are going to do some other activities like we did in the last class as well. We are going to do some other things today, and then we are going to go to the main topic. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
All right. Perfect. Okay. So, the first activity that we are going to do today is a make sentence activity. Do you know what make sentences is or what this activity is?
No, I have no idea. means we are going to frame sentences. Is
Yes,
it?
frame sentences, but it's like we used to do this a lot in school. You would be given a word, right? For example, if I say beautiful, you have to make a sentence for me with this word in it. So I can see today on my way to school, I saw a beautiful house. So
Yes.
then that way I can show you how the word can be used.
Yes.
Okay, there can
Yes.
be some words that I give you that you're not familiar with. Don't worry about them. Tell me, then I can tell you the meaning or explain the meaning to you, and then you
Yes.
can maybe frame the sentence. Okay,
Okay.
but I'm pretty sure you would probably know all the words. So, yeah. Are you
Yeah.
ready? Should we
Yes.
start?
Yes. I'm ready. Yeah.
Okay, so your first word is, and take the form of the word into mind. Like, is it a noun? Is it an adjective? Keep that in mind. Okay,
Yes.
so your first word is recreation. Recreation.
Recreation is a noun,
Okay, very good. Do you know what it
and the
means?
sentence would be there is a recreation after death.
Okay, there is a recreation of life, you can say, after death,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. There
Oh,
is recreation of life after
okay,
death.
that is actually a good use of the word recreation in that way. Creation, recreation. But do you know recreation also has another meaning? Do you know that meaning?
Recreation.
Yeah.
Recreation means uh,
Recreational, when we say recreational activity.
enjoyment.
Yes, exactly. Something for pleasure, something for
Yes.
relaxation. This is one meaning, recreation, creating
Yeah.
again. But recreation, another meaning is this. So can you make a
Yes.
sentence for me with this
Yes.
meaning maybe? Yeah.
Yeah. Uh, my daughter's uh, vacation will start, so we will go outside for recreation.
Very good sentence. Good job. Okay. Your second word would be tourist.
Tourist.
Tourist. Yes.
Um, in India, there are lots of places for visiting, and many tourists come from other countries.
Very good. Very good. Okay, good recognition of the mistake and correcting it. Very good.
Yeah.
Yes, that's a good sentence. Okay. Now a little difficult. A little difficult word maybe. Navigate.
Navigate.
Navi, then gate. Gate.
Navigate means to travel.
Yes, very good. To more than to travel, it's like to move through something, not to
Yeah.
kind of manage some pathway. So that way, like for ships or for aircrafts, we often say, the aeroplane is navigating its way through a tumultuous weather or to a tumultuous condition, something like that.
Mhm. Will you please give one more word for that?
Navigate basically means to
To
move
move.
through something. So I am
Okay, through
trying to
things.
navigate my way. But we sometimes use navigate in metaphorical context. Like I'm trying to navigate my way through the company policies. So I'm trying to move
Mhm.
through my company policies,
Oh,
find my
yeah,
way
I
out.
got you. Yes.
So yeah.
I navigated many companies for giving my interview.
Okay, I navigated through many companies.
I
Through.
navigated through many companies for giving interviews.
Very good. Good job. Very
Yeah.
nice. Okay, good job. Good job. Okay. Now, this was our third word. We are going to do 5 words today. So, fourth,
Yes.
right? Kin. Kin. Kin.
Kin means the relatives
Yes,
are the
relatives,
person
families.
who have some blood relation.
Very good, absolutely. Family members, not only blood relations, like family members within,
Family members. Yeah.
yeah, even within tribes or communities like that, we say kin. They are not related by blood or anything, but very
Yes.
close people,
Those
connections.
people. Yeah.
Yes. So, could you make some sentence for me
Yes.
with this?
In my daughter's birthday party,
Mm-hmm.
I had invited kins of my kins of my family.
Then you don't have to say kins of my family. You can say my own kins. Or
I
my
only use.
yeah, because family means kin, right? You are
Yes,
inviting everyone in your family.
yes.
Okay, all right, that's perfectly all right. Very good. All good sentences. Last one. Unpredictable.
Today's weather is unpredictable.
Okay, that's great. Okay, very nice. Do you know some other, words or synonyms for unpredictable maybe?
Unpredictable means that can't be predicted.
Yes. So any synonym, any one word?
Uh,
I would give you one.
yes.
This is a word I learned in college's word a lot. It's called precarious. Precarious. P R
Will
E
please
P R
PRA.
E yeah, CARIOUS. Precarious means more than unpredictable, not reliable. Like we often say the Wi-Fi connection is precarious. Like it's not reliable, very,
Mhm.
undependable. It can fall off, it can collapse
Mhm.
anytime. Uncertain.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's a word you can
Okay.
use.
Okay.
Precarious. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Perfect. Any question till this point?
So we can use precarious word as in a sense of weather to predict the weather also.
Yes. The weather is precarious today, not dependable. It can change anytime, uncertain.
Hmm.
Okay?
As suppose sometimes power supplies come and go.
Yes,
So can we
yes,
use this word
yes,
like
absolutely.
today's power supply is precarious?
Precarious. Yes, absolutely. You got it.
Yeah.
Absolutely, you can.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. All right, so that was the first activity today. I think you did pretty well, I must say. So, before we go on, is there any question that you have?
No, I have no questions.
Okay, perfect. So the second activity that we are going to do is a storytelling activity. Okay,
Yeah.
but you are going to be the storyteller for me. But how are
Yeah.
you going to tell me the story? I am going to give you four keywords, random keywords. These words will become important elements in your story. You can put in
Okay.
other elements as well, okay, other information, whatever, but this have to be there. Okay.
Okay. Means the four keywords I will have to use in that
Yes,
story
yes,
along with
yes.
other.
Are the
Okay.
words of your choice, okay? And
Yes.
you have to give
Okay.
me a title, and if you can give me a moral or message at the end, that would be brilliant, I think. Okay,
Yeah. Yes.
so are you ready?
Yeah, I am
And I
ready.
will give you 2 minutes to think a little about the story, and then you can start. No issue,
Okay.
okay?
Yes.
Your first word would be boy.
Born.
Yes, boy. Like girl,
Boy.
boy. Boy. Yes,
Okay.
boy.
Boy.
Grandfather.
Yes.
Rainbow.
Rainbow.
And kite.
Yes.
Okay, you can take two
Boy,
minutes.
grandfather,
Yeah.
rainbow, and kite.
Yes, you can take 2 minutes and think a little. I just want you to not make a very simple story like, okay, the boy was flying the kite and his grandfather came and they saw a rainbow together.
Okay.
That becomes
Yes.
a story as well, but that
Mhm.
does not have any other element. Want you to put your own elements as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
Make a short,
Okay.
very short.
Yes.
All right, yeah. Tell me.
Once there was a boy named Krishna, and he used to live with his parents. One day, his grandfather came from village for a few days to live with them for a few days. And one day, the boy told to his grandfather to uh, to make a drawing of rainbow, and they sat uh, together to draw rainbow, and they colored with 7 colors, and after that they went for flying the kite, and they enjoy their company, and again they came back at home and enjoy the delicious food that his mother cooked for them.
Okay, very
And
nice. Yeah.
story title would be the boy and grandfather.
The boy and his grandfather.
Yes, the boy
Okay.
and his grandfather.
Okay, and
Yeah.
what is the message of the story or the moral according to you?
According to me, this message, this story message would be like how to live and give love and affection to each other in family.
Okay, that's very nice. That's a good
Yeah.
message. Okay, now a few mistakes that you made. The story was wonderful, but the grammar mistakes that you made are as follows. Okay, whenever we say few days, we have to say a few days or a few things. I am here to collect a few things, or I'm here for a few days. Okay, number one. Number two, after told or after tell, we do not say to. After say or said, we say to. After told, you don't require to. Told him, not told to him.
Mm,
Okay.
yeah.
Number two. Number three is he asked his grandfather to make a painting or a picture of a rainbow. A. Okay.
Mm, yeah.
All right. Then lastly, 1 minute. Yeah. You said the story message. The stories message.
The stories.
The stories message. Okay.
But the story is one, so why we use stories?
Because this is not plural s, this is apostrophe s, so apostrophe
Stories,
is,
yes, yes.
yes,
Yeah, yeah, I
stories
get it.
possessive, right?
Yeah,
Stories, the message of the story, the story's
yes, yes.
message,
Yeah,
like Sushma's son.
yeah,
So
yeah, I got, yeah.
apostrophe. Okay.
Apostrophe, yes, yeah.
All right. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. So now we are going to go and talk a little bit about the topic, which is about
Yeah,
guests today, right?
yeah.
Okay. So for some funny questions about guests, have you ever, like as a child, or maybe a little grown up as well, have you ever waited for guests to leave and maybe give you some goodbye money?
Um, yes, I was waited for guest when I was child, but not waited for are expecting from some money.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. When I was a child, okay, a child.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, have you ever secretly hoped that guests don't finish the food and you can immediately start eating once they leave?
Mm. Would you please repeat your question again?
Okay, you didn't hear? Yeah, sorry. I was saying that have you ever secretly hoped that
Hmm.
guests don't finish the food and you immediately can start eating once they leave?
No, I think no.
No?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, all right. Now, have you ever fought in your family? Maybe you await guests and you have been fighting in your family, and when the guests come, you just act like okay, everything is perfect, everything is happy, nothing is happening again here.
Yes, not only one or two times, some very times it happens. Like, several times this happens. Suppose we are
Okay.
talking in a loud voice and suddenly someone knock the door. So
Hmm.
we just come on, start to talk on, low voice. This happens.
Right.
Yeah,
Right.
because
Okay.
as we are human beings,
Hmm.
so I think these types of things happen.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Okay. Now, have you ever hid in your room till the guests go away so that you don't have to meet them?
Um, what is the meaning of hit the room?
Hid in the room. Hid in the room means hide. Past tense of hide is hid. So you're hiding. You know what hiding means, right?
Yes, I know. Yes.
Yes. So have you ever hid in your room? Hid is past tense of hide.
Mm-hmm.
And not gotten out basically because there are guests outside. You didn't want to meet them maybe. Has that ever
Mm-hmm.
happened to you?
Yes, not now.
Hmm.
When I was, young,
Hmm.
like when I was studying in graduation, or that times these things happen. Suppose some guests come at home,
Hmm.
and after serving everything, we again, go in the another room.
Hmm.
We
Okay.
don't sit with them.
Right.
Yeah,
Right.
we did
Oh,
not sit. I did not sit with them. Yeah,
right. Okay. I
yeah.
understand. Now, there is a saying that a person can either be, can be born as a host or can be born as a guest. Either you can be a very good host or you can be a very good guest. I'm pretty sure many people can be both, but there is an inclination for someone either to be a host or either to be a guest. So which
Yes.
one do you think you are inherently?
I am a host more
Okay.
than guest. Yeah, I can, hosting are very well in a
Okay.
well manner.
Mm-hmm.
So I can say that I am a host. I am a
Okay.
mostly host. Yeah,
Okay.
tell
Yeah,
me.
hospitality. Yes. So you can
Yeah,
say that I'm good at hospitality. Okay.
I am good at hospitality. Yeah,
Hospitality. Yes.
yeah,
Yes. Because hospitalize generally means to
yeah.
get
That is
admitted.
different meaning. Yeah,
Yes, to a hospital.
yeah.
Okay. And also you said I can. Sometime I think with host also you used it as another form of word. So host is a noun, so or it can also be a verb. So you can say I can host or I have to host, something like that. Okay,
I
or
can host.
I can host or I can be a host. Both are correct because host can be a verb or a noun. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So tell me that did you have any ever have any guests that you hated and you wanted them to leave?
Mhm. Not now,
Mhm.
but yes, when I was child, so these
Was
things
our child
happen.
a child?
When
A
I
child.
was a child, so these things happen with
Right.
some guest only. Yeah, we
Right.
really get bored as we were two, three sisters. So
Right.
sometimes we get bored. Yeah,
Right. Okay, perfect. So those were the questions that I had for you today. Brilliant answers. Very good job, I have to say. I have told you a little bit about the mistakes that happened in the class, but to summarize, work a little with okay,
yeah,
and the you're making some mistakes,
yeah,
and sometimes with prepositions here or there and forms of words, but otherwise I think you're doing very good. I think in fact better than the previous class, I have to say.
yeah.
So
Thank
very
you.
good job. And
Okay.
that's about it from my side. If you have any question you can definitely ask me.
No, I have no questions from your side. I today I did mistake in my past tense. Past tense are means present tense.
Past tense, no, past tense and present tense, you did not make so many mistakes. Sometimes I think you were also kind of correcting yourself, which is a very good thing, I
Yeah,
felt. So,
yeah.
yeah. Okay. Now, tell me, do
Okay.
you have any other concern, any question that I can help you with?
No, I have no questions.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah,
all right. Then I will see you soon and then we will
yeah,
talk some more. Okay.
yeah, yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, thank
Thank you
you.
so much.
Thank you
It
for
was
your
lovely.
feedback and suggestions.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much for joining today. It was lovely talking to you, and hopefully, we'll meet again soon.
yeah. I also
Oh,
enjoyed, and
yeah.
even last session I also enjoyed, and I today's session I also enjoyed.
Okay, that's lovely
Yeah,
to know.
thank you.
Thank you so much.